Hey everyone, it's Taylor here, the serial hobbyist. Today I'm going to be showing you guys just a process video on how I made these white and gold transparent kind of geode-like coasters. It was a really fun experimental process, so I just want to share that with you. So the first thing I did was put a little dot of clear in the middle of all of the coaster molds that I was using. I decided with this mold to use the bigger geode shapes rather than the small ones. The small ones are particularly small. And then, as I mentioned before, this is kind of an experiment. So I just put white on the outsides and then continued to use more of a puddle technique. So because I'm pouring outside, I have to really make sure that dust particles, hair, leaves, and all of that don't get into my resin. And when they do, I usually just take a little popsicle stick and get them out. But pouring outside is kind of difficult sometimes, so I just have to be really careful. So for this first coaster, I was experimenting with design and technique. So as you can see, I'm kind of going around with my gold alcohol ink color, but then I quickly decided I'm gonna do a puddle technique. And so what that kind of entails is what you're seeing. You just kind of make little puddles and keep pouring colors, layering them on top of each other, pouring little puddles inside of the color, and it kind of expands. And with certain resins, I know that, especially with this one, it's a little thicker. I heated it up with a little blow of my heat gun before I poured, so it was a little bit more liquidy, which was good for this puddle technique. And so I quickly learned from that first coaster and just decided to go with my puddle technique for all the rest of the coasters. So I'm just going to let you enjoy this slightly sped up version of my process. Here's a shot of my completed pouring, and now we just put them under this filter and wait for 24 hours. So I've demolded the coasters and I'm just working on gold leafing the outer rims of these geode coasters. Thank you folks so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more like this. I will see you in my next video.